All right. I just came back from the gym, and it was raining heavily here. So yeah, I guess the update for today is I did 20 questions, 20 to 30 questions of time and work, and started with a new topic. Now the subtopic of time and work, the pipes and cisterns. Doing the concept videos of that. Two are done, one is pending. Also did 10 to 15 questions of that, basic ones, and that was it for con today. And apart from that, I did one RC and one LRDI set. I was no set in the morning, hence I did all of that in the afternoon. And yeah, that's it for today. Also, I will include some advices in every video. Like, the CAT is getting very close right now, and most of the people will start to feel I guess feel it's too long, how long it is. Now they most of the people will give up at this point, and most of the people also, I guess 30 to 40% of people will start now. So I guess it's a good time. From tomorrow I will just tell whatever I feel, and yeah, maybe some gyaan, you can say that. And that's it for today, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.